there, it's Shell, and today I'm going to show you my yummy cheese ball. So I have been making this cheese ball recipe for about probably close to 30 years. Isn't that crazy? I used to work when I first started out, so I was about 1920. So when I first started out in the workforce, the first job I had, this girl brought this cheese ball, and I make it pretty much every single year. So the first thing you want, and this does make 2 cheese balls, so if you just want to make one, then just cut these ingredients in half, and I will put the recipe below, so just in case, but it's just 2 blocks, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and again, you can use the fat, low fat, no fat, full fat, whatever you want to use. So I have used all of those, you know, in different stages of my life, and it's so simple. And my friend loves this cheese ball, along with my spicy crackers, and that is another recipe that is on my channel. So I will put that, I will link that below. So we have 2 blocks of cream cheese. Okay, and you want these to be at room temperature because look how easy those are. So, and then we're going to use half a cup of mayonnaise, and I am using Kraft mayonnaise with olive oil. And just about half a cup. It can be a little bit more. In fact, I used the end of my container, so it'd be a touch more than a half a cup. And we're going to put about a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. This is the kind that comes in that little container. Again, I was at the end of it, so I just threw the rest of it in there. You can, however, use the kind that comes in the green green shaker box. In fact, that's what we used to use years and years ago before, you know, we started using the real stuff. So I'm just going to stir that up a little bit. And you just want to make sure it's well incorporated. You know, you can use a mixer for this. Again, I don't use a mixer all the time, just because I don't have a problem with stirring it by hand. You know, it's just something I've always done. Okay, and then 2 more ingredients. The easiest cheese ball. So you want about 8 slices of bacon. You want them fried up crispy. So throw that in there. And my husband fried those up for me. And about 1/3 of a cup of green onions. And then we're just going to stir that all together. So we've had this many different ways. If you don't want to fry up the bacon, you can get bacon bits, and in fact I have used, it's called real bacon bits. I think it's by Hormel. I have used those many times through the years, but we did happen to have fresh bacon. So we fried those up. I like to serve this with crackers. You know, my friend likes them with the spicy crackers. And one of the best things is to use like a garlic bread or like a spicy garlic, not spicy, but a crunchy garlic bagel chip. That is awesome with this. And you can now shape this into balls and let it kind of set up overnight, because it will get really stiff again, like, you know, when you put the cream cheese back in the fridge. So it will get stiff because you will store it in the fridge. Or you can put it in containers. We have so much food at all these get-togethers. I'm going to take some to my sister, and I'm going to take some to my friends on Christmas Day. So I'm going to put these in just little containers. So let me go get those. However, if you do want to make this into a cheese ball, then, you know, go ahead, shape it into your ball. And let it set up for an hour or so. And then you can roll it in some parsley or some more bacon bits or green onions, whatever you want to, if you want to roll it in something. So I'm just going to put about half in this container. They're not fancy. You know, we're just doing home things. So, and half in this one. And I don't know about you guys, but I went through my cabinets and I took out all my lids and only put back ones bowls that had lids that matched. And I still don't have lids that match. I don't know what happened there. It kind of got away from me. So a little of this goes a long way, but it is so yummy. I eat on it most of the season because, you know, like I said, we just have so much food at both places. But it's fun. And, you know, I'm just not going to do anything fancy with them. But you can put it in like plastic wrap, like right in the center of your plastic wrap, and then kind of make it into a ball. That works out really nice, shapes it really nice, and then when it hardens up, it's really easy to get loose, to unwrap. So easy peasy. You can add or take away from it. I always make it the exact same way, you know, depending on the only thing I've changed over the years is Parmesan cheese and the bacon bits. And I have used like Miracle Whip for the mayonnaise. So it's just whatever you want to use. Very simple. The hardest thing is just waiting for that cream cheese to get to room temperature. So that's how easy this one is. I hope you give it a try. Be sure and leave a comment if you do. It's fun, it's simple, and you know, usually I have most of the ingredients on hand, so it's just a fast, simple treat to take with you. So, and you can serve it with vegetables, all different kinds, like a veggie platter or different kinds of crackers, whatever you'd like to do. So thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful Christmas. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day.